A very warm welcome to my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all taking good care of yourself. Let us begin this day with a beautiful song. You can follow the actions by looking at this video.
I like to think about the goodness of the Lord. He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just want to lift my hands and say that I love Him. I just want to lift my heart in praise. And I want to be thankful. I want to be grateful. I want to remember everything that the Lord has done. I want to be thankful. I want to be grateful. I want to be. I like to think about the goodness of the Lord. He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just want to lift my hands and say that I love Him. I just want to lift my heart in praise. And I want to be thankful. I want to be grateful. I want to remember everything that the Lord has done. I want to be thankful. I want to be grateful. I want to be, I want to be thankful. I want to be grateful. I want to remember everything that the Lord has done. I want to be thankful. I want to be grateful. I want to be, 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 I want to be.
So my dear students, let us remember everything what Lord has done for us. Let us lift our hands and say thank you to God. With this beautiful thought, let us begin today's class. So, today we are going to start a new topic, that is two-digit simple addition. Now, what comes to our mind when we say the word addition? So, as you can see this picture, we can see a plus sign. Then there are some words written on this picture. Count on, how many in all together, sum, plus, add, combine, increase, join. So these are the some words that we come across while we are doing addition sums, addition word problems, and so on. Now, what is addition? Addition means to join or combine two or more things together. So, for example, if you have 4 apples with you and your mommy gives you 4 more apples. Now, your mother is asking to tell how many total apples do you have. So, what are you doing? Yes, you are combining all the apples together and then you are counting the total number of apples. That is, total number will be 8. So addition means to join or combine two or more things together. Now what is this? Yes, this is the plus symbol used for addition. And with this symbol only you can recognize what kind of a problem is this. Is it's an addition problem or other operation. Let us go back to class 1 and recall what we learned Here I have taken an example, that is add 5 plus 3. So as you can see here, we have written these numbers in the boxes according to their place value. As these two numbers are one-digit numbers, so they will come at ones place. Now let us see how can we add these two numbers. First we have 5. So I have taken an example of pencil. Let us first keep 5 pencils with us. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how many more pencils we have to add? Yes, we have to add 3 more pencils. So let us combine 3 more pencils in this circle. 1, 2 and 3. Now how many total pencils can you see in this circle? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have got total 8 pencils. So can we say that 5 plus 3 equals to 8? Yes. Now let us learn how to add two-digit number. So we just now saw one-digit number. Now let us go to two-digit numbers. So before that, let us write the steps to add two-digit numbers. So here are the steps to be followed while doing two-digit addition. First step. Count the total number of digits in the given numbers. So first you have to count the total number of digits in the given numbers. Then arrange the numbers in the boxes according to their place value. So you remember the earlier videos on place values, what we were doing there. First we were writing the numbers in different boxes according to their place value. So here also you will write the given numbers in different boxes according to their place value. Third, remember when you're arranging the number, start from the ones place. So always remember this, you have to start from ones place whenever you're writing numbers. And the fourth step is, once you have arranged the numbers, start adding the numbers from the ones place. So once everything is done, you will start adding the numbers from the ones place. Let us take some examples so that these steps are more clear to you. We will begin with example number 1. So here I have taken add 23 plus 11. So we have two numbers here, 23 and 11. So we have to add these two numbers. So first of all, as you can see, the boxes here, these are two digits number. So place value will be ones and tens up to 2 digit. Now first of all, we'll write this 23 in these boxes and then we'll write down 11 in these boxes. So do you remember how did we represented the numbers using blocks? Same way we are going to represent numbers here also. Let us take the first number, that is 23. So which number is at ones place in 23? Very good. Ones place we have 3. So how many blocks will come here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. Now let us go to the tens place. We have 2 at tens place. So here how many long block will come? 1, 2. Clear? So this is how we will represent 23. Now let us go to the next number, which is 11. So at ones place, which number is there? 1. So how many blocks will come here? 1 only. Now let us go to the tens place. At tens place again we have the same number, that is 1. So how many long block will come in this box? 1. Very good. So we have represented the number 11 here. Now, can you see these two empty boxes? Here you have to write the number after adding these blocks. So at ones place, we will start. Remember, how many blocks are there? 1, 2, and 3. And how many blocks are here? Only 1. So together, we'll combine all these blocks at ones place. How many blocks will be there together? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So in this box, what will come? 4. Very good. Let us go to the tens place now. So we have here 2 blocks and here only 1 block. So total, how many blocks are there at tens place? 1, 2, 3. So total there are 3 blocks at tens place. Clear? So can we say that 23 plus 11 equals to 34? Yes, because 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 plus 1 is 3. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us go to the second example. Now here I have taken numbers 40 and 25. So again, 2-digit numbers are here. So we have written the place value as ones and tens up to 2-digit. So first number we have 40. Let us represent this number in these boxes. So at ones place we have 0. So how many blocks will come here? Very good. Here no block will come because 0 means nothing. So let us go to the tens place now. We have 4 at tens place. So let us represent 4 at tens place. How many blocks will you use? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we have represented the number 40 here. Let us go to the second number, that is 25. So at ones place we have 5. So let us represent using blocks. How many blocks will come at ones place here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now let us move to tens place. So we have 2 at tens place. How many blocks will come here? Good. 2 blocks. 1 and 2. So we have represented the number 25 in these boxes. Now can you see these empty boxes again? So we have to find out the total number of blocks. Let us begin from ones place. How many total blocks are there at ones place? Let us count them. Here no block is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 will come at ones place. And how many blocks are there at tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total there are 6 blocks at tens place. So what do we get? We get 65. So we can say that 40 plus 25 equals to 65, as 0 plus 5 equals to 5 and 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Is it clear to you? Now let us move to the last example. So here I have taken two numbers as 37 and 12. So we have to add 37 plus 12. Again we have represented ones and tens because both the numbers are 2-digit number. Now let us represent 37 in these boxes. So at ones place we have 7. So how many blocks will come at ones place? Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let us go to the tens place. We have 3 at tens place. So how many blocks will come here? Very good. 1, 2, and 3. So we have represented 37 in these boxes. Now let us go to the next number, which is 12. So at ones place we have 2. So how many blocks will come here? 1, 2. And let us go to the tens place now. We have 1 at tens place. So how many blocks will come here? Absolutely correct. 1 block only. Now what is the final step? Remember? Yes, we are going to add these blocks from ones place. So how many total blocks are there in ones place? Let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total we have 9 blocks at ones place. Now let us move to tens place. How many blocks can you see here? Let us count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 blocks at tens place. So can we say that 37 plus 12 is equals to 49, because 7 plus 2 equals to 9 and 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you are going to practice these sums whenever you have free time. Now I will be uploading a worksheet dated 7th May. Kindly practice the worksheet in your notebook and revise all the work done till now. Thank you for joining, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe and stay happy.